Alright, listen up. If you carry a bag, a pocket, or a belt every single day, this video is for you. Campers, preppers, overlanders, EDC nerds like me, I dug through hundreds of tools this month and found the 20 that actually earn a spot in your pocket. And number 1 might replace 3 things you already own. Let's get into it. Number 20. First, tactical executive briefcase. You show up to the meeting. The laptop's dying, cables everywhere, papers falling out of a cheap bag you should have replaced years ago. The first tactical executive briefcase ends that mess for good. It holds 26 liters of capacity. A padded compartment fits your laptop exactly. Size 16.5 by 10.5 by 1.25 inches. You get 8 external pockets and 8 internal pockets. The whole bag weighs just 4.2 pounds, so it never feels bulky on your shoulder. First Tactical builds gear trusted by law enforcement and first responders every single day. This bag doesn't just carry your work, it organizes your whole day, start to finish. Number 19. ALPAKA Hub Zip Pocket. Your keys are scratching your phone screen right now in your pocket. Admit it, that scratch is permanent. The ALPAKA Hub Zip Pocket fixes that instantly every day. It measures 3 inches by 4.7 inches by 1.4 inches and weighs only 0.2 pounds. 2 accordion sections hold your cards, cash, and car keys separately. It's built from weatherproof AXOFlux 300D fabric with a magnetic SD card case built in. ALPAKA is a 1% for the Planet member, giving back with every product sold. This is the last small wallet you'll ever need to buy. Done. Number 18. Zebra F701 Pen. Ever grab a cheap pen right when you need it most and it skips, smears, or just dies on you? The Zebra F701 does not quit. Ever. It's built with a stainless steel barrel and a knurled grip for total control. The tip is a fine 0.8mm point for clean, precise lines. The plunger is silent, so you can click it in meetings without a sound. It comes as a 3-pack, plus 2 extra ink refills included. This pen is a staple in tactical and EDC circles worldwide, for good reason. 1 pen, 0 excuses. That's the whole story. Number 17. MECARMY RU01 Titanium Caliper. You need a precise measurement right now, and your phone app just isn't cutting it for real work. The MECARMY RU01 solves that from your palm. It's built from titanium alloy with CNC precision manufacturing. You get dual-scale measurements 5 centimeters and 2 inches on 1 sliding gauge. It weighs only 1.4 ounces total. The zero-screw design means there's nothing loose to lose over time. This caliper survives daily pocket abuse without losing its precision or its edge. Tiny tool, real accuracy. I genuinely love carrying this one. Number 16. Night Eyes Moonlight Micro Lantern. Power goes out, your tent goes dark, and your phone flashlight just isn't lighting the whole room. The Moonlit Micro Lantern changes that completely, instantly. You get 14 hours of runtime on low mode and 3 hours on high mode. The head swivels a full 360 degrees and locks into 4 different positions. It's drop-tested to withstand a fall from 1 meter without breaking. Night Eyes backs every single product they make with their worry-free guarantee. Clip it to your bag, light the space, forget the dark exists. Number 15. KEYSMART MAGCONNECT Pro. You need to hand someone your car key, but it's stuck on a ring with 12 other keys jammed together. The KEYSMART MAGCONNECT Pro splits apart in 1 second flat. It uses a strong magnetic connection to hold your keys firmly together until you need them apart. It holds up to 20 pounds of weight without failing. A dovetail joint locking mechanism adds extra security against accidental drops. It's available in standard black and an upgraded titanium version for extra durability. Detach it, hand the key over, move on with your day. Number 14. NEXTORCH K33 UV Pen Light. Something's stained on your carpet, but you can't see it clearly under normal household light. The NEXTORCH K33 UV reveals what's completely invisible to your eyes. It puts out 365 nanometer deep UV light at 1300 milliwatts of power. A black glass filter blocks over 99% of ambient stray light for a purer reading. It's rated IPX7 waterproof and drop-proof from 1 meter. It even comes with a stainless steel pocket clip. NEXTORCH backs this light with a full 5-year warranty on every unit sold. See what others miss completely every single time you use it. Which one is your favorite so far? Comment below right now. I read every single one. Number 13. NIGHTCORE EMR25 Mosquito Repeller. You're sitting outside at dusk enjoying the evening, and the bugs start circling with no spray in sight. The NIGHTCORE EMR25 clears the air around you fast. It covers a pest-free zone of up to 16 feet using a 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency. It features both a high mode and a low mode depending on the situation. It also doubles as a full USB-C power bank for your other devices when you need one. NIGHTCORE is a globally trusted name in portable power and lighting technology. No bites, no spray. No problem at all tonight. Number 12. VIPERADE VE1 Pocket Organizer. Your knife scratches your flashlight, your pen leaks on your notebook. Everything's a mess crammed into one single pocket. The VIPERADE VE1 separates all of it permanently. It's built from 500D polyester with a wear-resistant PVC coating on the inside. It holds at least 3 tools in an oblique tool sheath, plus a notebook or phone up to 6.5 inches. A MOLE plug-in design secures tools with pocket clips. VIPERADE offers a full 30-day return guarantee if you're not satisfied. Organized gear leads to an organized mind. Non-negotiable, honestly. Number 11. Tactical Geek Block E2.0 EDC Pouch. Your phone, flashlight, and power bank are all loose in your bag, banging into each other constantly. The Block E2.0 locks every piece into its own place. It features multiple elastic compartments designed to hold different gear sizes. The fabric is scratch-resistant and water-resistant on both the front and back MOLE panels. It attaches to any belt, backpack, or bag using a strong D-type buckle and nylon strap. It's built specifically to survive tough outdoor environments day after day. One pouch. Total control of every item you carry. Number 10. ORBITKEY Key Organizer Pro. Your keys jingle in your pocket with every single step you take. Everyone around you hears you coming. The ORBITKEY Pro makes your entire key ring silent. It holds anywhere from 3 to 9 standard keys on tool-free, micro-adjustable hardware. The body is crafted from premium LWG certified leather for a refined feel. A quick flip tool gives you fast access to your most used key without fumbling. ORBITKEY is one of the most reviewed and trusted EDC brands on the market. Silent keys, a sleek stack. That's simply the new standard. Number 9. XTOOL Selected Mini Electric Screwdriver. Your laptop needs a repair, or your kid's toy needs a new battery, and your old screwdriver just won't fit. The XTOOL Mini Electric Screwdriver handles it in seconds flat. It runs on a 400 RPM motor with 5 adjustable torque settings from 0.1 up to 3 Newton meters. It includes 48 precision S2 steel bits at 60 HRC hardness. The all-metal gearbox adds durability, and it weighs only 63.5 grams total. It's rated to drive over 500 screws on a single full charge. This tiny tool genuinely replaces a full toolbox at home. Subscribe right now. We drop survival gear content every single week, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Number 8. HRNDS HK 2024 EGGPLANT Fixed Blade Knife. You're out fishing or skinning game, and your knife slips right out of your grip at the worst moment. The HK 2024 was built so that never happens to you. The blade uses N690 stainless steel with a 2.36-inch edge length and a satin finish. The handle and sheath are both carbon fiber for lightweight strength. Jimping on the spine locks your thumb into place for total control during use. N690 steel is prized worldwide for its edge retention and corrosion resistance. Full control. Every single cut. No slipping, period. Number 7. CRKT POP Liner Lock Knife. You need your blade open right now, one-handed, with zero fumbling in a tense moment. The CRKT PUP deploys instantly, every single time. It uses an AUS-10 stainless steel blade for durability and corrosion resistance. The flipper opens the blade fast, riding on an IKBS ball-bearing pivot for smooth deployment. The handle is glass-reinforced nylon, keeping it lightweight but strong. A liner lock closes it easily with just one hand. CRKT is one of the most trusted names in everyday carry knives today. Fast to open, fast to close, fast decision made. Number 6. EVERMADE AVIATOR Slide 1 Titanium Wallet. Your bulky wallet is wearing a hole in your jeans, and digging out one single card takes forever. The AVIATOR Slide 1 eliminates both problems completely. It's made from 99.9% pure grade 1 titanium and holds up to 20 cards comfortably. A pull strap slide mechanism gives you instant access to any card you need. Every single wallet receives its own unique engraved serial number on the backplate. This is a custom-made, individually numbered accessory, not a mass-produced product. This wallet isn't just slim. It's yours, and only yours. Number 5. AEGIS MT Multi-Tool. You're out in the field and suddenly need pliers, a blade, and a bottle opener, all at once with nothing else on you. The AEGIS MT carries all 5 tools in one grip. It features a Cryo 440 stainless steel clip-point blade at 1.9 inches. Compound leverage pliers double your gripping and cutting power over standard pliers. It also includes a wire cutter, tweezers, and bottle opener. The GRN handle is textured for a sure grip, wet or dry. AEGIS has built military-grade knife and tool designs for decades running. 5 tools, 1 pocket, 0 excuses left. Number 4. STREAMLIGHT MICROSTREAM USB Flashlight. You're fumbling in the dark for your keys, and your phone flashlight just isn't cutting it anymore. The STREAMLIGHT MICROSTREAM throws real light in a pocket-sized body. It puts out 250 lumens and 1150 candela, reaching 68 meters on high mode. Runtime is 1.5 hours on high or 3.5 hours on low. It measures under 4 inches long and is rated IPX4 water resistant, with 1 meter impact resistance tested. STREAMLIGHT builds flashlights trusted by police and fire departments across the country. Small light, serious output. I trust this one completely. Number 3. Clarus XT11 GT Pro Tactical Flashlight. You need to see far, fast, and with total control, with 0 fumbling for switches in an emergency. The Clarus XT11 GT Pro was built for that exact second. It hits 300 lumens max output with a beam distance of 345 feet. The 5th generation dual-tail switch gives instant access to strobe or highlight modes. USB-C fast charging keeps it ready, and it's rated IPX8 waterproof. The body is forged from 6061 T6 aerospace aluminum alloy, the same grade used in aircraft parts. This isn't a flashlight, it's a tactical tool. Full stop. Number 2. Insta360 Go 3 Action Camera. You're living a real moment right now, hiking, biking, playing with your dog, and your hands are completely full. The Insta360 Go 3 captures it anyway, hands-free. It weighs just 35 grams and shoots 2.7K hands-free POV footage from any angle. Flow state stabilization removes every shake and bump from your footage. It's waterproof to 5 meters, and the Action Pod delivers 170 minutes of battery life. Insta360 leads the action camera market with AI-powered editing built directly in. Stop missing the moment, start wearing the camera instead. Number 1. GARMIN Instinct 2X Solar GPS Watch. Your battery dies on day 2 of a trip and you're left with no light, no GPS, and no way back home. The GARMIN Instinct 2X Solar never lets that happen to you. Solar charging delivers infinite battery life in smartwatch mode with just 3 hours of daily sunlight. It has a built-in LED flashlight with an SOS strobe mode. Multi-band GNSS gives pinpoint positioning accuracy. It's built to US military standard 810 for shock, water, and thermal resistance. This watch survives conditions that break other electronics completely. One watch, no dead batteries, no getting lost, period. So there you have it, 20 tools that actually deserve a spot in your everyday carry. Which one is going in your bag first? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe now, we drop survival gear content every single week. Stay ready, stay carrying. I'll see you next time.